again, my name is Mason. This is my other tractor. It's radio, 2-speed, lights, armrest, smokestack, and let me show you how it drives. This is first speed, this is second, and this is reverse. Oh, fenders, armrest, that's the armrest already. Pedal, counterweight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lights, 2 in the back, hitch, trailer, but it broke. Good tires. So, hope you can learn more about tractors. Bye!